is that the WRX seats actually hold you like pretty tight. Like I feel super planted to my seat even in the turns. Good morning everyone. Right behind me is the Subaru WRX and today we are going on a mountain run. I'm just currently waiting for Mitch to get here. He should probably be here in the next couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna go get some cheap fuel because the fuel price here is astronomical. Like for 98, that's like $2.50 per litre. From about half a tank, that's probably gonna be about $60, $70, maybe a bit more. So for a full tank, you can imagine that's probably going to be about almost 120, 130 bucks. Down the road, there's a place that is $2.07 or $2.10 a litre for 98. So that's where I'm aiming for. Hopefully it hasn't gone up. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. My boy has arrived. Hello. What a hectic start to the morning. What the hell? So many cool cars. To me. Oh wow, what a big McDonald's. I'll let this car through. Now I'll head in. There we go. Oh, there's an Evo here. I see a Brumby, I think, as well. Look at all those fozzies. That is dope. Hello. What a turnout. Yo, long time no see.
Time no see, motherfucker.
It's been like, what, a day?
Come here, mate.
I went for the high fives into the hug. Good combo. This is Mitch. Mitch, this is Tristan.
Nice to meet you, Tristan.
Look at that. That is absolutely dope. It's like a tray table for your Maccas. I like that though. I want that if I had a pause.
Well, everything.
Yeah, this thing's mental. It's been built for like the last like 2 or 3 years. But he got screwed around by a supplier in Sydney.
Right in for 1,300 horse.
Yeah, 1,300 is pretty good. Wait, so what's it at now? Like 200?
Like 230.
230
ish.
That's pretty good. Because stock's there at 190, aren't they?
195 at the
195 at the fly.
It's making the same as it was before I built it.
Yeah, that's good. Yo! I know, it's gonna be great.
Sexy parts, bro.
I know, right?
Mod the fuzz, yeah, mod the fuzz. Yeah, sexy looking
Fuzz me, yeah, baby. And the pop and crackle, baby. We're heading up to United King Lake, the United King Lake. So it's like the petrol station just in town. Yeah. Oh no, the one behind me is my friend, so if you guys want to follow them, I'll let you guys through. That's all good, no stress. Very cautious, and I'm trying not to stay too close to the guy in front, specifically because this is my first run in this car. I do not know how it's going to react, and I'm still learning the limits and how it's going to actually handle. So you want to be very cautious on runs like this. Don't push your car more than you intend to, and definitely don't try and follow someone else's path and someone else's lead, because you don't know whether they're going to be more experienced or less experienced. Just some good tips. See, these guys are fractions ahead of us. I'm just leaving my distance, trying not to push. I'm still taking corners at the speed that I'm comfortable. I still feel the grip underneath me. I've got fresh tires, by the way. Another new thing that you definitely got to have if you're going to go mountains, good pair of tires. All in all, a good setup. I haven't actually been on King Lake in this car or any of my previous ones besides the Skyline. Oh, Miata! Bye bye, Miata. Okay, car's gotten in front. This guy's probably with us. Judge's corner means I gotta judge the corner. Okay, definitely got to be careful. Got everyone here though. I think we're held up by traffic. Something's happened up ahead maybe. Let's just turn the AC on. That'll be better. Whoop, bumpy. very well done. Oh wow, this is only like the beginning too. It's like 11:05 and we haven't even gone through the first stretch yet.
And then I got one online and they fucking dropped it in shipping.
So we got like a massive turnout here. This is pretty cool. Absolutely hectic lineup right here. Tasmania plates too. Unfortunately, Dim's not having much luck with his Civic. It's eating too much oil, so he's going to head off, and I think Zach's probably going to follow. Yeah, we're just at our first stop right now. I can finally go and eat my beef jerky, and then we're on to the next stop.
This is an awesome turnout. This is a speech. We will be leaving in 5 minutes. James in the Silver Forester will be leading us. Of course, who the fuck am I saying? We're here to drive. Those of you that aren't going to drive your cars hard, please stay at the back. And yeah, let's have fun. We are driving through Hillsville to Marysville. We're stopping at the Duck Inn for lunch, so set your GPSs for the Duck Inn. It's about an hour's drive, and yeah.
Up ahead, so I just flashed my indicators back there because there was something on the road. Lucky that motorcyclist got my warning. Some big twisties coming up. Here we go. car is that the WRX seats actually hold you like pretty tight. Like I feel super planted to my seat even in the turns, which compared to the other cars I've driven, that was always an issue. So I'm glad WRX seats like really resolve it. Following a 1UZ Sora, an MR2 and a Foz right through the mountains is awesome. That was a big bumpy. But now we're in the Black Spur, I believe, or at least Myers Creek Road, which is very scenic. I'm not even needing to press the throttle much. I'm just easing the brakes, just trying to keep myself through the corners. These guys don't even need a brake, but I am just way too cautious. Just want to stay planted on the road. Gripping it. I have no clue how that 1UZ Sora is actually sticking to the road. Those wheels are very tiny. I mean, so are mine, but like, I've got all-wheel drive. Here we go. I sound like a jet engine with my front diff. GoPro hasn't gotten hot yet. I'll open my windows now. We won't get the best noises. We'll probably get more stutitude than anything. But just got to keep my GoPro cool. straight back down. Everyone's got the right idea. Sunday is Hills Day, or Spur Day. It's like Thursday, Spur Day, but Sunday, Spur Day. Oh, it's Jared! That was Jared! Oh, okay. Thank you. Sorry. I was just kidding. Sorry, man. I'm no good at charades. Can't a man enjoy his succulent sizzling plate? Blasphemous. I am freaking second. I'm taking a video, man. You can eat. Man, I am freaking second guessing my purchase right here. Wow, the duckies are about to get crunk. Haven't actually been up Lake Mountain before, so it's going to be interesting. go! What a group.
Hey, was it the other crew that was supposed to be going up?
I reckon. I just want to start off by saying that was one of the most amazing and thrilling mountain runs that I've been on in a long time. We are talking about a large pack, about like the size of a Macca's car park on a Friday night, going out on a cruise in some of the most amazing scenery that you can imagine in Victoria. We're talking King Lake, into Marysville, into Lake Mountain. A lot of people also went back down Reefton Spur to get home. I unfortunately left that one out, mainly because it's been a big day and I didn't want to push my car too far on the way home, so I took the back end right back through Marysville all the way back home. Also, because it's been a massive event, it has also been a massive video as well. This video has gone on for about half an hour now, and I can't believe you guys are still here listening to me rant and watching my content. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I made it home safe, the car made it home safe, and I just can't wait to get back out there and do it again. Hopefully with a tune and a better setup and just a lot more experience, and it'll be an amazing one. But anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit a like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.